Word Problems with Miss Devonia Brown. When solving word problems, remember cubes. Circle the numbers, underline the question, box the keywords, evaluate and draw, solve and check. Let's follow our word problem steps. Read the problem with me. DC Technology is having a back-to-school sale. The price of a computer is $1,709. The price of a printer is $280. And the price of a scanner is $190. What is the total cost of the three items? Circle the numbers I will be dealing with. Underline the question. Box the keyword. Now evaluate. The keyword here, total, is indicating that I should add. I will use an addition number sentence to solve. $1,709 plus $280 plus $190. I will start adding my cents first. Since all three of the digits in the hundredths place are zeros, I will place a 0 under my hundredths column. The three digits in the tenths place are zeros, so I will place a 0 in the tenths column. Make sure write your decimal point. 9 ones plus 0 ones plus 0 ones equals 9 ones. Place your 9 ones under the ones column. 8 tens plus 9 tens equals 17 tens. Regroup 17 as 7 tens and 100. Place your 7 tens under your tens column. Carry your 100 above your hundreds column. 100 plus 7 hundredths plus 2 hundredths plus 100 equals 11 hundredths. Regroup 11 as 100 and 1000. Place your 100 under your hundreds column. Carry your 1000 above your thousands column. 1000 plus 1000 equals 2000s. Place your 2000s under your thousands column. $2,179 is the cost for the three items. Read the problem with me. Miss Peters had $5,000 on her multi-discount account. She purchased all of her kitchen appliances for $3,585. How much money was left on her account? Circle the numbers we will be working with. Underline the question. Box the keywords. Evaluate. Since the keyword here is left, it is indicating that I should subtract. I would use a subtraction number sentence to solve. $5,000 subtract $3,585. We will start subtracting from our hundredths place first. Since both digits in the hundredths place are zeros, we will place a 0 under the hundredths column. Both digits in the tenths place are zeros, so we will place a 0 under our tenths column. Write in your decimal point. 5 ones from 0 ones cannot work. Go over to your tenths column. Still cannot work. Go over to your hundredths column. Still cannot work. Rename 5,000 as 4,000. Go back to your hundredths column. You have 10 hundredths. Rename 10 hundredths as 9 hundredths. Go to your tenths column. You now have 10 tens. Rename 10 tenths as 9 tens. Go back to your ones column. You now have 10 ones. 5 ones from 10 ones leaves 5 ones. Place your 5 ones under your ones column. 8 tens from 9 tens leaves 1 10. Place your 1 10 under your tens column. 5 hundredths from 9 hundredths leaves 4 hundredths. Place your 4 hundredths under your hundredths column. 3,000 from 4,000 leaves 1,000. Place your 1,000 under your thousands column. Miss Peters has $1,415 left on her multi-discount account. Let's do an example where we check our answer. Mr. Fox registered 1,213,420 persons to vote. If 702,119 of those persons did not go out to vote, how many persons voted? Let's circle the numbers we will be working with. Underline the question, box the keywords, and now let's evaluate. How many persons voted? What we're going to do is we want to know how many persons voted, so we're going to use a subtraction number sentence to solve. Let's go ahead and subtract. 9 ones from 0 ones cannot work. Go over to your tens column, rename your 2 tens as 1 10, go back to your tens column. You now have 10 tens. 9 tens from 10 tens leaves 1 10. 1 10 from 1 10 leaves 0 tens. 100 from 400 leaves 300. 2,000 from 3,000 leaves 1,000. 10,000 from 10,000 leaves 10,000. 700,000 from 200,000 cannot work. Go over to your millions column, rename your 1 million as 0 millions. Go back to your 100,000 column. You now have 1,200,000. 700,000 from 1,200,000 leaves 500,000. 511,301 persons voted. Now we're going to do our check. To do the check for subtraction, we're going to do the inverse, which is addition. We are going to add our difference and our subtrahend together. We should get our minuend. Once we get our minuend back, we know that our problem was solved correctly. Let's go ahead and add. 1 1 plus 9 ones is 10 ones. Regroup 10 as 0 ones and 1 10. Place your 0 ones under your ones column. Carry your 1 10 above your tens column. 1 10 plus 1 10 equals 2 tens. Place your 2 tens under your tens column. 300ths plus 100 equals 400ths. Place your 400ths under your hundreds column. 1,000 plus 2,000 equals 3,000. Place your 3,000 under your thousands column. 1 10,000 plus 0 10,000 equals 1 10,000. Place your 1 10,000 under your 10,000s column. 500,000 plus 700,000 equals 1,200,000. Regroup 12 as 200,000 and 1 million. Place your 200,000 under your 100,000s column. Place your 1 million under your millions column. So we got back our minuend, so our problem was solved correctly. Read the problem with me. Tanya bought 8 packs of candies. If each pack contains 1,608 candies, how much candies does Tanya have in all? Let's circle the numbers we will be working with, underline the question, box the keyword, and let's evaluate. We are going to use a multiplication number sentence to solve. Let's go ahead and multiply. 8 times 8 equals 64. Regroup 64 as 4 ones and 6 tens. Place your 4 ones under your ones column. Carry your 6 10 above your tens column. 8 times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Place your 6 tens under your tens column. 8 times 6 equals 48. Regroup 48 as 800 and 4,000s. Place your 800 under your hundreds column. Carry your 4,000 above your thousands column. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Regroup 12 as 2,000 and 1 10,000. Place your 2,000 under your thousands column. Place your 110,000 under your 10,000s column. So altogether, Tanya has 12,864 candies.